Section 4, Digital Manners and Footprints. Now that our devices are secure, let's shift our focus to how we behave online and the invisible trails we leave behind.
To navigate the web safely, we really need to understand a few simple concepts. First up, your web browser, like Google Chrome or Safari. Think of it as a super helpful librarian. You ask for a specific piece of information, and it runs out into the massive internet library to fetch the exact web page you want. Second, cookies. Now, imagine going to a party and someone slapping a digital name tag sticker right on your shirt. That's essentially a cookie. It helps websites remember exactly who you are and what you like. And all of these interactions, they add up to create your digital footprint. This is the permanent trail of data you leave behind with every single click, search, and post.
Because that digital footprint is so permanent, having good netiquette or internet etiquette is absolutely vital. It honestly just relies on the golden rule. Treat others online exactly how you want to be treated. It's also crucial to remember that the old stranger danger rule absolutely applies to the virtual world. So you've got to fiercely protect your personal information. And here is a big one. Never use social media as an angry personal diary. I know it might feel really good to vent in the heat of the moment, but that anger, it becomes a permanent part of your digital trail for anyone to find later.
Section 5. Staying healthy at screens. Because surviving digital threats is great and all, but true survival also means taking care of our physical bodies while we use these devices.
And take a look at this. It brilliantly illustrates the real physical toll our devices can take on us. If you look at the nerves in our hands and arms here, you'll see that when we type on keyboards or endlessly click a mouse for hours without taking a single break or with terrible posture, we can actually pinch these nerves. This leads to some really painful conditions like carpal tunnel in the wrist or cubital tunnel in the elbow. I mean, your digital life shouldn't ever cost you your physical comfort, right?
To present that kind of pain, we really have to talk about posture. Notice the big difference between the proper green check marks and the slouching red warnings here. Slumping forward creates this massive strain on your neck and upper back. A lot of people actually call it mouse shoulder. Instead, what you want to do is aim for 90-degree angles at your elbows and your knees. Try to keep your neck nice and straight and make sure your monitor is right at eye level. And honestly, the most important thing of all, take frequent breaks to stand up and stretch.